All right, guys, welcome back. TSLA Tesla stock update. So today, after being down significantly in the morning, it recovered pretty much everything, and then it's positive 1.3% so far, trading at around 112. So what to watch from here? So as a support, I'm gonna basically, well, it did hit that $100 level, psychological level that I was watching as a potential support area, 101. So basically that would be the next level of support. Until then, I'm watching 104 from Tuesday low as a support, and also these lows, 107, 108. That was the resistance in the morning. If you look at it in a lower time frames, 10-minute charts, such as these are the crucial levels would be as a support to the upside. Now resistance for Tesla would be this Wednesday high of a 114.29, and then above that we have a gap to fill right here from Friday to Tuesday when it gapped down pretty big. So that's the next potential would be 123.50. Also, Tesla reporting their earnings on 25th. So far it's scheduled on 25th of January. And if you take a look at the OPEX, monthly OPEX on a daily chart, you know that the big option expiration is coming on 20th of January. So it can basically stay in this range and do a whole lot of nothing. But one thing I want to mention, it's still very active. It's still trading above its average volume. If you take a look at today's leaders in terms of most active stocks with options, Tesla leading 1.1 million volume total, and from that 54% puts, 45% calls. So there are still puts coming in, and I'm not sure if those puts are being sold or if they're being bought. But you can just go take a look yourself, or if you have a scanner particular when it comes to looking up the individual orders, or you can just go to Thinkorswim and take a look at yourself. We don't have time for diving too deep into option activity. But if you take a look at the volume as well, this is it. In S&P 500, Tesla 129 million volume, and day is not over yet. We still have 3-4 hours Friday, and it's leading. The second most volume traded is Amazon, 42 million, and Apple 39 million. But if you take a look at the price of a stock, I mean, in terms of the billions changing hands, you can see the Tesla's volume is more than Amazon, Apple, AMD combined just today so far. So that means, yes, it's still active. It's still trading with big range. If you're trading options, you got to be careful, or you got to be basically closing out your positions if you're trading all ultra short term positions. Like if you're trading weeklies, you have seen these gaps. It's been basically trading like a Chinese stocks, because overnight there are headlines, it's gapping down, it's gapping up. So you got to be careful if you're playing short-term, ultra short-term plays for Tesla. So those are the levels below basically 101. I'm going to be watching still $90 as a support, and you can see volume is huge. It's still above its average. Yesterday it had 157 million, and today so far, I mean, again, we have 3 more hours and it's trading crazy. And also one more thing I want to mention here on this chart, you can see this blue line on my chart, right? This is a 5-day simple moving average. Anytime stock is below that, I'm usually short biased, and anytime it gets back above it, I tend to look for dips and stay long biased. So today, right here, right now, 113.30 is the 5-day simple moving average. If Tesla today manages to close above it, or maybe even Monday gets above 115, 114.50 is the resistance. If it gets back above it, I'm going to be watching Tesla bullish all the way to 124, maybe even 134, just given how many people are Pretty much this, if you just pay attention to these 8 candles, last 8 trading sessions, it's pretty much messing with a lot of people's heads, because it was it was coming down with 9-12 trading sessions straight, and a lot of people made up their minds and they decided to short. And right when a lot of people get into the position, it starts going green, red, green, red, green, red. So it's trapping both longs and shorts. So if it tries to go higher, well, it's gonna get pretty decent move to the upside, just given its range. So you want to keep that in mind as well. So that's basically it for Tesla. That's the update. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Peace.